In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Analytics. We'll start from the Salesforce homepage, move into the Sales app, open Analytics, browse and open a couple of useful dashboards, use favorites and collections to organize what you see, and then walk through creating new items like a dashboard, a folder, and a report. Along the way, I'll point out where things live and a few tips to keep you moving smoothly. Begin on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. From here, switch into the Sales app by selecting Sales from the app picker at the top left. This ensures you're in a context where sales and service analytics content is commonly available. If you don't see analytics in your navigation tabs, you can customize them. Click the small pencil icon labeled Edit to modify your navigation. Choose Add More Items, then select All so you can see every available tab. In the search field, type Analytics to quickly filter the list. If you decide not to change anything right now, that's fine. Click Cancel, and then cancel and close to exit the editor without saving. In our case, we'll simply go ahead and open Analytics from the navigation when it's visible. Inside Analytics, choose Browse. Browse is your central library for dashboards, lenses, and datasets you have access to. You can think of it like a file explorer that respects your permissions and folder sharing settings. Open the item labeled Open Cases for Accounts I Own. This view is handy for support-minded sellers and account owners, giving you a quick read on active cases tied to your accounts. Notice how filters and groupings help you zero in on what needs attention. Close or navigate back, then open the Service KPIs dashboard. This dashboard aggregates key service metrics, often including case volume, time to resolution, and backlog trends. Let it load completely before interpreting the charts, and use built-in filters to tailor the view to a team, region, or time frame. Next, select Favorites from the Analytics header. Favoriting is an easy way to bookmark important dashboards so they're one click away. If you rely on a few dashboards daily, marking them as favorites keeps them front and center. In the Collections section, click Sales, then Service. Collections are curated groups of content that help you discover relevant assets without hunting through folders. Sales typically highlights pipeline, forecast, and activity dashboards, while Service emphasizes case health and agent productivity. Browse both to get a sense of what's available to your role. Return to the Analytics home area to reset your view and prepare to create new assets. Choose Create. Here you'll see options to build a new dashboard, a folder, or a report. Select Dashboard to start a new interactive canvas where you can pin charts and metrics from datasets and reports. Consider a clear naming convention and plan your layout around the top questions you need to answer quickly. Next, choose Folder. Folders organize access and sharing for your analytics content. Use them to separate personal work, team resources, and company-wide dashboards. Set appropriate sharing so teammates can see what they need while keeping work in progress private. Then pick Report. Reports are the structured queries that power many of your dashboard widgets. Define the report type, add filters, and group your data to match how you want to analyze it. When you keep report fields clean and filters consistent across reports, your dashboards become easier to maintain and trust. If you want to view everything together, choose All to see a comprehensive list of what you can access. This is useful when you're not sure which folder something lives in. For a quick look at system-level references, open Static Currency Rates Home. Click Continue if you're prompted to proceed. When you're done reviewing, click Cancel to back out and return to where you started. That's a simple way to exit without making any changes, and that's it. You navigated to Analytics, browsed content, opened key dashboards, managed favorites and collections, and walked through creating dashboards, folders, and reports. Use these steps as your blueprint to explore Salesforce Analytics with confidence.